Medical robots assist in surgeries and other healthcare services. Humanoid robots are designed to resemble humans. They have arms, legs, and sometimes even faces. These robots can walk, talk, and interact with people. Another type is the autonomous vehicle, which can drive itself. Robots have several core components. These include sensors, actuators, control systems, and power supplies. Sensors are like the robot's senses. They help the robot detect its environment. Examples of sensors include cameras, touch sensors, and ultrasonic sensors. Cameras allow robots to see, while touch sensors help them feel. Ultrasonic sensors use sound waves to measure distance. Actuators are the muscles of the robot. They move the robot's parts. There are different types of actuators, such as motors and hydraulic systems. Motors are commonly used in small robots, while hydraulic systems are used in larger robots. The control system is the brain of the robot. It processes information from sensors and sends commands to actuators. Finally, robots need power supplies to function. Environment sensing is essential for robots. It allows them to understand and react to their surroundings. Robots use various sensors to achieve this. One common sensor is the camera. Cameras help robots see the world. They capture images and videos which the robot's control system processes. For example, autonomous vehicles use cameras to detect other cars, pedestrians, and road signs. Touch sensors are another important type. These sensors allow robots to feel objects. They can detect pressure and texture. Ultrasonic sensors use sound waves to measure distance. Infrared sensors detect heat. Firefighting robots use infrared sensors to locate victims in smoke-filled environments. Movement is a critical function for many robots. Actuators play a key role in enabling this movement. Different types of actuators are used depending on the robot's purpose. Electric motors are commonly used in robots. They convert electrical energy into mechanical motion. Small robots, such as robotic vacuum cleaners, often use electric motors. Hydraulic systems are used in larger robots. These systems use liquid pressure to create movement. Construction robots, for example, use hydraulic systems to lift heavy objects. Pneumatic actuators use compressed air to produce motion. Robots also use wheels and tracks for movement. Tracked robots, like those used by the military, can navigate rough terrain. Section 5. The role of programming and AI in robotics. Programming and artificial intelligence, or AI, are vital for modern robots. These technologies enable robots to perform complex tasks and learn from their experiences. Programming is the process of giving robots instructions. These instructions tell the robot what to do and how to do it. Programmers use languages like Python and C++ to write these instructions. For example, a programmer might write code that tells a robot to move forward, turn left, and pick up an object. AI allows robots to make decisions. With AI, robots can analyze data and learn from it. For instance, an AI-powered robot vacuum can learn the layout of a room. Over time, it becomes more efficient at cleaning. AI also enables robots to recognize objects and understand speech, making them more interactive. Machine learning is a subset of AI that is particularly important for robots. It involves training robots using large amounts of data. Section 6. Real-world examples of robots. Robots are used in various fields and perform a wide range of tasks. In manufacturing, robots are used to assemble products. For example, automotive factories use robotic arms to build cars. These robots can work quickly and accurately, improving productivity and quality. They can also perform tasks that are dangerous for humans, such as welding. In healthcare, robots assist surgeons during operations. Surgical robots can make precise movements, improving the accuracy of procedures. For instance, the Da Vinci surgical system is used for minimally invasive surgeries. Exploratory robots are used in space missions. NASA's Mars rovers, like Curiosity and Perseverance, explore the surface of Mars. Service robots are used in homes and businesses. Robotic vacuum cleaners, like the Roomba, help keep floors clean. Section 7. Robots in daily life. Robots have become a part of our daily lives. They help us with various tasks and make our lives more convenient. One common example is the robotic vacuum cleaner. These devices can clean floors automatically. They use sensors to navigate around furniture and avoid obstacles. Robotic vacuums can be scheduled to clean at specific times, making household chores easier. Another example is the smart home assistant. Devices like Amazon's Alexa and Google Home use AI to perform tasks. They can play music, set reminders, and control smart home devices. In education, robots are used to enhance learning. Educational robots can teach coding and robotics to students. Robots also assist with elderly care. Section 8. Industrial robots. Industrial robots play a crucial role in manufacturing and production. They perform tasks that are repetitive, dangerous, or require high precision. One common type of industrial robot is the robotic arm. These robots are used in assembly lines to build products. They can weld, paint, and assemble parts with great accuracy. For example, robotic arms in car factories assemble vehicles quickly and efficiently. Another type is the automated guided vehicle, or AGV. AGVs are used to transport materials within factories. They follow predefined paths and can move heavy loads. Collaborative robots, or cobots, work alongside humans. Unlike traditional robots, cobots are designed to be safe around people. Industrial robots also include 3D printers. Section 9. Medical robots. Medical robots are transforming healthcare. They assist with surgeries, rehabilitation, and patient care. Surgical robots are used for minimally invasive procedures. The Da Vinci surgical system is a well-known example. It allows surgeons to operate with high precision through small incisions. Rehabilitation robots help patients recover from injuries. These robots assist with physical therapy exercises. For example, robotic exoskeletons help patients regain mobility. Telepresence robots allow doctors to consult with patients remotely. These robots have cameras and screens, enabling video communication. Robots are also used for medication dispensing. Automated systems can sort and dispense medications accurately. Section 10. Future prospects of robotics. The future of robotics is exciting. Advancements in technology are opening new possibilities for robots. One promising area is autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars are being developed by companies like Tesla and Google. These cars use sensors and AI to navigate roads without human input. Autonomous vehicles have the potential to reduce accidents and improve transportation efficiency. Another area is robotics in space exploration. NASA and other space agencies are developing robots for future missions. These robots will explore distant planets and moons. In healthcare, robots will become more advanced. Future robots will perform more complex surgeries and assist with patient care. Domestic robots will also improve. Section 11. Conclusion: the exciting future of robotics. Robotics is a fascinating field. Robots are becoming an integral part of our lives, helping us in many ways. From manufacturing to healthcare, robots perform tasks that improve efficiency and safety. They make our lives easier and open up new possibilities for the future. The core components of robots, such as sensors and actuators, enable them to sense and interact with their environment. Programming and AI play a crucial role in making robots intelligent and adaptable. Real-world examples show the diverse applications of robots in various fields. The future of robotics is bright. As technology continues to advance, robots will become even more capable and versatile. The journey of robotics is just beginning, and it promises to be an incredible adventure.